Is right there. Let's crack her open. See what we have got. There we go. Oh, there's a cap. Alright. Let's grab it. Okay. Looks like we have Belching Beaver Brewery Beaver's Milk Stout Nitro. It's a nitrogen charged beer, I'm guessing. 5.3% alcohol. Very nice, very nice. Nice little description there. As well, Belch Beaver Brewery. Very, very nice. Just a plain gold cap. Yeah, very nice. All right, let's get all set up and enjoy this beer. Right? All right, and beer time. All right, now we're back at the table, and we're going to dive in to this Belching Beaver Brewery Beaver Milk Stout, their Nitro version. This comes out of Oceanside, California. 5.3%, like I said, and IBUs are not labeled here, but they are labeled on the website, which is belchingbeaver.com. It is 30 IBUs. So let's crack her open, and then we'll pour it like a nitrogen-charged beer should be poured, which is not on a 45, but straight up and down. All right, and pour. We're gonna pour that much in there. Fuck it. I'm gonna pour it all in. Look at that cascade. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to move it, but it's just cascading like crazy. And there's a huge frothy, deep, light tan head on there. I think it's settling a bit now. That looks amazing. Wow. So we're going to let that settle for a minute, and while we do that, I'm going to read to you what they have on the actual bottle. I'm going to give you another look at the bottle there. Angry looking beaver with a, looks to be a captain's hat, holding a milk bottle, and a stout. So, let's read what it has to say. Beaver's Milk Stout Nitro. This was the first beer we made, and we are excited to bring it to you in a nitro version to go. The beautiful cascade effect sets the tone for this creamy, silky, smooth beer. But don't let the color fool you. It's an easy drinking style with notes of chocolate and roasted coffee. This milk stout has been the foundation for a lot of our beers. It's the mother of our peanut butter milk stout, and we have Troy to thank for that. Good times to you, my friend, and welcome to the Beaver family. Cheers, Tom. That's actually really cool. Peanut butter milk stout. Ooh, I don't know how that sounds, but interesting. Look at that head. Oh my god. That is just so thick. It's like a wall. Oh my god. That smells like a stout. It smells like a chocolate milk. Let's get some nice coffee notes in there as well. Alright, let's start sipping. And then we'll cheers, as we do. Whoa. Ooh. It tastes like a chocolate bar. Sort of like a more intense coffee crisp. Am I right about that? I don't know. I swallowed that pretty quickly. Let's just take another sip and see what more we can get. But that's what I'm getting. Chocolate and coffee. Which is great. Cheers, everybody. Merry Christmas. There's a weird flavor in there. Maybe it's just I'm not used to this. I don't know. There's something in there that's a little weird. It doesn't really work with me until I figure it out, or I'm just not used to it until I figure out what it is. But it's tasty for damn sure. It's got a lot of flavor. With some nitrogen charged beers, in my opinion, there isn't much flavor. In some of them, since they lose all of their carbonation. This one actually tastes pretty damn good. Sweet chocolate, coffee, and you know what? This one, it does lose its flavor a bit in the tail end of things. Like I said, like just a few seconds ago, other nitrogen charged beers. And this one sort of has it when it loses it. It sort of has like an artificial sweetness, like an artificial sweetener to it that doesn't work the greatest in the finish. If it just tapered off to more or less nothingness, like other nitrogen charged beers do, it actually would have worked better because that awkward sweetness in the finish is, well, awkward. There's no other way to put it. It's awkward. But it's creamy, it's milky, it's chocolatey, good hints of coffee in there as well, near the mid-finish to the actual finish. It's not bad at all. Belching Beaver, I wonder if I'm going to belch. Probably. If I do, I'm sorry, I'll probably be cut out like it always is, because I got some nasty burps. Just that awkward sweetness. It's so weird. Wow. I didn't notice that on the first sip. Oh no. Oh no. I don't like it as much as I did on that first sip. It has really good flavor. And then it's just that awkward sweetness which seems to overpower all the other flavors you got before it. And kind of ruins it for me personally. Which actually, I'm kind of disappointed. I'm pretty sad. Damn. That first sip was amazing. Why can't I just have that first sip over and over and over again? Yeah. That awkward finish to it just ain't getting any better. Like when you drink it, it's smooth, it's creamy, it's milky in your mouth. And then the flavors in the beginning, that chocolate, the milk, and the coffee is amazing. But after, it just gets so awkward and just so artificial sweetenerish that you just, for me personally, you lose everything that was great about this beer to that awkward finish. But what can you do, right? Looking over on the website belchingbeaver.com, let's switch things over. For the description, they have the exact same description as here on the bottle. But they do have a last little bit. It says, the word is out. Evening coffee is giving way to our milk stout. Maybe. If you like that artificial sweetener, there's a belch for you. Tiny little belch. But then again, there's not much carbonation, so doesn't really count, right? Yeah, I'd still probably take coffee over this milk stout in the evening. No, I wouldn't. I don't know. Depending on what mood I'm in, but I probably wouldn't drink this again. So I'm happy I only have the one from the advent calendar. Not a good end to that beer. Oh, ugh. I can't do it. I'm sorry, it's not that good. Availability though, year round. That's kind of nice. So if you're in that area, down in the States in California, and you really like this beer, good for you, because I can't get over that awkward artificial sweetener taste. We're almost done it. I can't go on. I need something different. You know what I need? I need a good stout. I don't have any small good stouts right now, but I do have a bigger stout for future. Alright, let's finish this up, get to the ratings. Cheers, everybody. Oh. Oh. Ugh. Nope. 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 This review started up really high with that first sip being amazing, and then kind of just plummeted down after getting into the beer more. So, ratings. You know what? For the flavor, the initial flavor, the artificial sweetener stuff aside, very, very good. Absolutely amazing. Chocolate, milky chocolate, beautiful coffee, nice milky smoothness to it as well. Spot on, perfect. Till it gets to that artificial sweetener, then it just goes downhill from there. It tastes like poop. Like poop, poop, poop. That's really all I can say about it. So, rating for the beer, I can only give it a 4 out of 10. So, actually pretty disappointed. That makes me cry a little. Not really, but inside. That's okay, they can't all be winners, right? Still got day 6, 24 minus 6 equals 18. Still got about 17 days left, so there's got to be some more damn good beers on there. Awesome. Presentation, on the other hand, though, absolutely amazing. I think this is really cool. Beavers are pretty awesome animals. Me coming from Canada, obviously everybody knows that. No exception here. Very cool logo for sure, and description on it too, even better. How to pour a nitrogen charged beer, perfect, because some people don't know. Sadly, no IBUs on here, but the website does pick that up. And to say that again, website is also pretty nice. So presentation wise, I gotta give it a solid 8.5 out of 10. So 4 for the beer, 8.5 for the presentation. That just about wraps it up. So that'll do it for me, Brewski, and I can't wait to be back for December 7th, which is tomorrow, to see what beer we got in store for then. Alright, that'll do it for me, Brewski, and like I always say, crack a beer and enjoy. Cheers. Merry Christmas.